Hi, I'm Paul. I'm from RV Wholesalers, and today I'm going to show you how to extend and retract your awning. So your awning's on the outside here, and this is where an outdoor living space, and when you get to your campsite, it's going to be extended like this. And on your control panel, you have a series of buttons, and there's one called awning, and it says awning retract. So we're going to retract it, and we're going to push this button, and you'll see how your awning will start to go back towards your camper. As soon as it stops retracting, you want to let go of the button, or to put extra stress on the motor. So you want to make sure that you let go as soon as it's retracted. Then to extend it, you push the top button where it says extend that we looked at, and the awning will extend out. Always make sure your door is all the way open so you don't catch the door on the awning and there's no other obstructions in the way. And then you want to stop the awning when the flat is extended down. If you overextend it, it could wind up backwards